Welcome back, y'all. Well, today's video was going to be me installing a windshield in the LS Miata, but as you can see, I got all the way around and got to right here and it cracked. So I got mad and kicked it the rest of the way out. So we have to buy a new windshield now. But nevertheless, we are going to make a video today. And it is just going to be of this thing idling, revving, and we're going to give you a good garage burnout. So stay tuned to the end for a nice smoky garage burnout, since there's no point in trying to register it and put it on the road without a windshield. So enjoy. Nice little garage burnout. Yeah, nice little garage burnout for the channel. There you go. Thanks for watching. Later, y'all.